Different harvesting methods. Timing plays a crucial role when harvesting bamboo poles. Studies show that when bamboo is not harvested correctly and left untreated, it will deteriorate much faster and is more attractive to borers. Therefore, good harvesting practices will enhance the resistance of the bamboo poles and will retain their strength. Bamboo possesses large amount of starch, sugars, which are the principal nutrients for parasites, borers and fungi. When the carbohydrates are reduced, the bamboo culm will be more naturally resistant to those biological degrading organisms. The starch content is at its highest level at the end of dry season. The most recommended time to harvest bamboo is at the end of rainy season, beginning of the dry season when the starch content is the lowest. Bamboo harvested in this manner has three advantages. They are less attractive to insects, are less heavy to transport, and will dry faster. On the base of photosynthesis, in the course of the morning, bamboo starts transporting starch from the roots into the leaves. During the height of the day, this process is at its peak, making this the least ideal time of day to harvest. Therefore, the best time to harvest bamboo is before sunrise, between 12 p.m. and 6 a.m., when most of the starch is still in the roots. Normally, bamboo can be harvested after the 4th year of planting, but variations are there depending on species and location. For basketry and sliver making, but culms of age less than 2 years are preferred. The scientific way of cutting is to selectively cut the mature ones, sparing the younger culms so that the mother plant will remain healthy. If younger culms are to be cut, the number of poles harvested should be limited to 1 or 2 a year to maintain the health of the culm. Harvesting process. Bamboo poles shall be cut just above the first or second node above ground level with a matchet or saw. This way, there is no receptacle in which rainwater can collect. Stagnant rainwater in the culm may cause rot and could weaken the bamboo plant system. Damage or exposure of the rhizome while harvesting should be avoided, as this would cause serious damage and affect the future health of the bamboo clump. Harvested culms should be handled carefully, as stress can induce cracks along the length of the culm. Horseshoe method for harvesting bamboo. In the case of bamboo, new culm grows outside the periphery. Thus, when we approach a clump, the mature ones would be positioned inside in such a way that it is surrounded by younger shoots. This presents a challenge in harvesting matured ones. Horseshoe method is employed to overcome this. In this method, the younger culm in any one convenient side is cleared in such a way to make an entrance to access the matured culms. Care should be taken in identifying which younger culm need to be removed so that the wastage is minimized in finding the opening. Now, the mature culm is harvested in a circular manner, giving the whole process a horseshoe shape. Post-harvest. Starch content in bamboo can also be reduced by keeping felled culms upright with the branches and leaves attached for approximately 4 weeks. Parenchyma cells in plants continue to live for some time even after felling. During this period, the stored food materials are utilized and thus the starch content in bamboo is lowered. This method also improves the drying process of the bamboo culm and results in a nice uniform color of the dried culm. Harvesting bamboo according to moon phase. This is a controversial topic and many scientists still argue over the truth behind this peasant knowledge. However, detailed studies have found remarkable differences in untreated bamboo when harvested at specific hours according to moon phase. The starch content is lowest between waning gibbous and last quarter between the 6th and 8th day after full moon due to the higher gravitation of the moon.